I've got my camera, my flashlight, and Max. Let's see what happens.
Suddenly, after a few hours, a distant, mournful cry pierced the stillness. Max's ears perked up and he let out a low growl.
Did you guys hear that? It sounded like crying. Okay, this is getting weird.
I grabbed my flashlight and panned it around the campsite. The crying continued, closer this time, mixed with what sounded like soft whispering. My heart pounded in my chest, but I forced myself to stay calm for the sake of the video.
All right, we're hearing some really strange noises. I kind of wish I wasn't alone.